Hi everyone, we are now at day 5 of informational writing. Today we are going to talk about narrowing a report topic down to a seed topic. So we're going to take a report idea and make it smaller so we're focusing on one specific idea. So today I'm going to read Gila monsters to you. Have you ever seen a Gila monster up close? If not, it's probably because Gila monsters spend most of their time in burrows. These lizards are only out and about when they are hungry or sunbathing. Gila monsters are best known for their extremely venomous bite. However, this is not the only thing you may find interesting about the Gila monster. Gila monsters are covered in bumpy scales from head to tail and have wide bodies. Their rough skin is mostly black with stripes or spots that can be yellow or orange. There are other things about their appearance that assist them in survival. Gila monsters have a forked tongue which they flick to help them pick up scents. These creatures often dig for their meals and have long, thick claws for that purpose. These are some of the features you may observe if you happen to spot a Gila monster. Gila monsters were first discovered in the Arizona Gila River Basin, and this is where their name came from. These reptiles are native to the United States, but are found more specifically in Arizona as well as some parts of California, New Mexico, Utah, Nevada, and Mexico. Gila monsters most often dig their burrows in rocky foothills and mountain slopes. Sometimes the Gila monster will use the burrows dug by other animals instead of digging their own. There are many items on the menu for a Gila monster. They can often be found sneaking up on their prey since they have very poor eyesight and slow movement. They are not likely to chase their dinner. Most of the time, the Gila monster will swallow its food whole rather than chewing it. However, this lizard can break open eggs. In addition to snacking on eggs, Gila monsters will also eat small mammals, frogs, and other lizards. The Gila monster's venom is most often used as a defense among predators and not usually used to attack prey. The venom is distributed through the teeth, and the Gila monster locks its jaws on the predator and doesn't let go. If you're lucky enough to spot a Gila monster, you may want to observe them from afar. They are heavily protected by law and cannot be hunted or bothered in Arizona. The number of Gila monsters is quickly decreasing, and that is why they are protected by law. So the author wrote about Gila monsters in this report, and the report focused on just one type of lizard rather than writing about reptiles in general. And since she focused on just one lizard, we learned so much more than if she tried to write about all lizards. The author gave us so many more facts this way. And when we narrowed down our report, it becomes easier for us to focus and give lots of facts. We can always write another report to share about a different seed topic. For instance, this author could write a report about the rattlesnake or leopard geckos next. So today, what you're going to do in Seesaw is look at this graphic organizer narrowing a topic to a seed report. So a seed report focuses on a small part of a topic. So we have our whole watermelon, that's the big topic. We have a slice of the watermelon, which is narrowed the big topic down to a smaller part. And then we have the seed, that is the small, tiny part of the overall topic. So for example, instead of a report about reptiles or a report about snakes, you could report about rattlesnakes. So you've taken the big topic and narrowed it down to a specific snake. Or for instance, if you were wanting to write about a location, instead of writing about Europe or even France, maybe you just focus on the Eiffel Tower in France. So the whole purpose of narrowing a topic down to a seed report is to reduce the amount of information you have to sort through and to be able to provide very specific facts about one topic. So now you need to go to Seesaw and complete your narrowing a topic to a seed report graphic organizer. If you have questions, come see me in office hours.